Meet Jordan. Jordan recently bought a 2017 Ram 1500. On top of upgrading his truck, he acquired the latest features, better fuel economy, and lifetime engine warranty. Jordan was also given a free first oil change voucher. After calling ahead of time and booking his free oil change, he showed up on time with his voucher in hand, presenting it upon arrival so that everyone is on the same page. Way to go! Now you know the best way to redeem your free oil change when you purchase a vehicle from Knight Dodge.